This video will show you which files are required before you start implementing your Channel Advisor Magento extension. So we're going to gather the required Channel Advisor data. The very first thing that we do is we log into our Channel Advisor account, click All Products, and what you want to do is make sure you've got nothing in the search field. You've got no filtering, so you can see all of your inventory items unless you only want to export a certain number of items. So for this example, we're going to export everything from the account. We're going to click Export All Items from View, and we're going to put everything into a single file, and we can compress it just so it'll be easier to download, and then hit Export. So then this takes a little while depending on how many products you have. When it's done, you can go to the Upload Download Status view window, and you'll see here the exports that you've done in the past or you have any waiting. So we're going to export this download file, which we've made a couple of days ago, and you see that we've got it already here. Just to save time for downloading, because it's an 87 meg file, I'm going to hit cancel. But just assume that at this point you've exported all of your inventory. You'll save it because you'll need it in the upcoming steps. Now the second thing we need to do is we need to export all of our attributes. Now this is for those of you that have configurable products. For example, a shirt with different sizes and or different colors. It's not necessary if you don't have configurable products, but it is necessary if you want to export attributes. So most 99% of you are going to be exporting your attributes. So we go to our Inventory tab, under Grouping, select Attributes, and this is simple. There's just an Export button here on the right side of the screen. We're going to select All. It's important that we're downloading in the XLS format, and we're going to hit Export. So it's going to create a file, we're going to save it, and we're going to call this Channel Advisor Attributes, and we're going to save. The next thing that we're going to need are our product variations. So under Products, we have Product Variations, and what we need to do is just keep this information in our memory. Depending on how many variations you have, they're all going to have a friendly name here, and that name is important. We'll need it later. And this variation includes these attributes, and it's important that we know those attributes for later on. Okay, so those are the three important things that you need to know before getting started, and you should have downloaded them and saved this piece of information.